Right, so here we are, just lowering the ground level here, and what you can actually see just beneath the black aerial cable, that is modern masonry paint trapping in moisture on the ashlar plinth. So we've got the Thermatech here, and it's probably running about 100 to 150 degrees C. We're just actually peeling off this modern masonry paint, and this is going to create a massive amount of evaporation at the base of the wall, and actually this is going to reduce rising damp issues within the property. This is a very sympathetic repair. On the right hand side you can actually see half of this been removed now. This is all of it removed. So what we're also going to do is just build a little retainer there, just a simple little thing just to hold back any shingle. We're going to put a bit of terrain down between the wall and these bricks, a little bit of shingle on top of there, and that's basically going to just help that evaporation. You can also notice that the mortar at the base of the wall is like mud. This is going to be replaced with lime putty in the warmer months of next year. Thanks for watching.